Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this J-Series J400 JUMP STARTER from the manufacturer Locathor for a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, give it a try, and see how it works. Okay, this jump starter will work for 8.0 gas and 6.0 diesel engines. Let's open it up. Very well packaged. You have a note from the manufacturer. You have a jump starter instruction booklet. And the jump starter itself, made of hard plastic, looks very, very well built. We'll look at more of that. Some extra padding. You have the USB to Type-C cable. You have the positive and negative cables. And that is it. Okay, to turn it on, you press and hold the on-off button. And as you can see, this is fully charged, 0 volts. That's because we do not have it hooked up to a battery to see what the actual voltage is. This button here is a flashlight that can be used at night. Press it again and it gives you a distress signal to get other people's attention. Press it one more time and it has a SOS signal. Press it again to turn it off. These two lights here will indicate if you have your negative and positive cables connected correctly. They will be green. You'll have the green button here, and then you can hit this button here that's kind of labeled M. When you press that, that means you're ready to actually attempt to start your car. Looking on the side, you have cover here. This is where you actually connect your positive and negative cables up. And these can only be connected one way, so you can't reverse these. So you connect that all the way. And then these cables, you want to hook up to the battery. You want to hook the red one up to the positive side, and you see the indicator here of being positive, the plus sign. Then the black to the negative terminal, and you have the negative symbol. These are also spark resistant. So on this end of the jump starter, you have the rubber cover here. You open it up, you have the Type-C USB and then the regular Type-A USB. This is where you would actually charge up this charger by plugging in the Type-C, and then you would plug this into a charging source, AC outlet, adapter, and or your car. Once this receives a charge, you'll know it's a low charge when these lights here are in the red or yellow. You always want to check this on occasionally to make sure it stays fully charged if you keep it in your vehicle and so forth. Also, you can use these ports to charge up your laptop, your tablet, or your iPhone. Okay, let's hook it up to my truck. Even though my battery is not dead, it does not need boosting. I want to go ahead and show you how to hook it up. Okay, to connect the J400 Jump Start, you want the red or the positive connected to the red or positive part of the battery, and then the black or negative to the black negative side terminal of the battery. So we'll hook the positive up first. then connect the negative. Okay, then we'll turn on the jump starter. You'll have a countdown, and then it will indicate the actual voltage of the current battery connected. So as you can see, this battery has 13.2 volts. So it does not need a jump. So right here it tells you if your cables are connected okay. You have the green on the red. You have a yellow on the black, which will start. It's got green, but it would be more acceptable if that was green. Okay, reconnected the battery, turned it off and back on again. Now you see I have two green lights. So that indicates a good contact on both negative and positive terminals of the battery. So now you have the green light indicating you have good connections and it's ready to boost. If you need a light, just press and hold the light down. It'll help you see at night. Press it again and hold it, and it will turn off. So now you're ready to jump start the battery. Again, this one doesn't need boosting, but this is just an example of how they connect it. So to disconnect, you want to turn the jump starter off first by pressing the button and holding it down for a couple of seconds. Disconnect the negative first, then the positive. Hey, this is very easy to use, very easy to charge. The fact that you can get up to 25 jump starts with this one pack with one charge is an excellent quality tool. So I would highly recommend this J400 jump starter.